When cold hits our body, it's like a sudden shock to the system. Our skin cools down, and blood vessels constrict to preserve heat, making us feel even chillier. You might notice your teeth chattering. That's your body's way of generating warmth through muscle movement. Inside, our metabolism kicks into high gear, burning energy to keep us warm. Ever felt that prickly sensation? That's your nerves reacting to the cold, sending signals to your brain that it's time to bundle up. And let's not forget about shivering. It's our body's natural response, a mini workout to generate heat. So, the next time you feel that chill, remember, your body is working hard to keep you cozy, even if it feels like a frosty battle.